December's a great time to be in the garden. It's a festive season, great time for barbecues and family gatherings. Here's some inspiration for some things you can do at your place. We have a fantastic range of plants in the nursery this time of year. First of all, you really can't go past poinsettia with their amazing coloured bracts. They're an excellent gift and a really good centrepiece for your table. Indoors, they need at least 6 hours of indirect sunlight. Don't overwater and feed regularly to promote flowering. Once the flowers are done, prune them back and plant them into the garden so it will flower again next year. If you're not sure what plant to get, come into the warehouse and speak to one of our friendly team members or our gardening experts and they'll point you in the right direction. Portulaca are a great choice because they have an amazing range of colours. They're a very hardy semi-succulent plant and you can keep them in pots or plant them directly into your garden. Another hero are hydrangeas. Try them in a shady spot and keep the water up to them when it's hot and they'll reward you with some beautiful flowers. If you want a climber, it's a great time to plant mandevilla with their striking flowers, as well as plumeria. It's a perfect choice for a Queensland garden. And don't forget the veggie garden. Now's a great time to be planting tomatoes, but stick with cherry tomatoes at this time of year. Also plant eggplants and capsicum and heat-tolerant varieties of lettuce. Plant cucumber, melons, pumpkins and zucchini as they all love the heat. You can plant sweet corn, beetroot, silver beet and radish seed, and it's also a good time to put in beans and sweet potato. Our perfect plant promise gives you peace of mind. It means that all of our plants, other than seedlings, are guaranteed for 12 months. If you're not completely happy with the product, bring it back to us with your receipt and we'll give you a full refund. There's a heap of produce available for harvest in December. Some of the things you can expect will be corn, radish, lettuce, banana, capsicum and pawpaw. With the festive season just around the corner, December's a great time to get on top of the last-minute maintenance issues in your garden. December's a good month to put your mulch down. If you're doing so, lucerne hay or sugarcane mulch are both good options because they will break down and integrate with your soil, as well as suppressing weeds and maintaining moisture in the ground. Weeds grow rapidly at this time, so keep watch for D.I.Y, oxalis and dandelion. Get rid of them before they flower and spread. Take some time to get out in your garden this December in Queensland. It's some really good therapy. Make sure you come into the store and see some of our friendly team members about the latest plants that are available for you in December. Click here for more garden advice or click here to return to the website.